Hi mga kaibigan! Isang maulan na umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ngunit kahit maulan, nandito na naman po ang Team Wings of Hope para sa panibagong misyon. Ngayon, nandito po kami sa bayan ng Santo Tomas, Pangasinan upang samahan ang SK Federation sa kanilang proyekto na libreng gamutan. Sa tulong na rin ng Team Wings of Hope, kasama ang aming doktor na nag-volunteer din upang gabayan ng SK Federation sa kanilang libreng gamutan. Konting kaalaman mga kaibigan, alam niyo po ba na ang bayan ng Santo Tomas ay ang pinakamaliit na bayan sa probinsya ng Pangasinan? Ngunit ito naman po ang bayan na sagana sa produktong mais.
Hi! Magandang umaga naman po sa inyo lahat. At nandito naman po kami ngayon sa aming panibagong mission. At nandito naman po ang lingkod ng Team Wings of Hope. At ngayon po, dito kami sa bayan ng Santo Tomas, Pangasinan. At sa araw po na ito ay ginugulita po nila ang kanilang malnutrition month. At nandito po kami para suportahan ang kanilang bayan, para magkaroon na naman po ng medical station at proyekto po ng SK Federation ng Santo Tomas. Sana suportahan po rin po sa aming susunod na mission. At huwag niyo po kakalimutan mag-like, mag-subscribe sa aming channel. Thank you po!
Ngayon, nandito na po kami sa kanilang auditorium at kung nakikita niyo po, kahit pabugso-bugso po ang ulan, ay marami pa rin po ang nagpunta ng mga magulang at dala-dala pa po ang kanilang mga anak.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up a lot of friends, fill up the car to live best because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The truck's full of wine. We're gonna stay up every time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own.
po na sumama at tumulong ng kanilang municipal health officer ay nagkataon naman po na may importante silang gagawin. Gayunpaman, sila na lang po ay nagbigay ng mensahe at nagpadala ng kanilang tao upang kami pa din ay matulungan.
Sa pangkalusugan, kailangan din po nila ng karoga. So holistic po natin titignan ang kanilang nutrition. Yung iba napapatayaan, hindi masyadong natitignan. May mga impact po yan sa ating mga anak. Hindi lang po ngayon kalusugan ng ating mga anak kasi hindi po natin alam sila po ang next na mamumuno po dito, uupo po sa ating mga pwesto. Sila po ang magiging next na mga guro, mga counselor. Baka meron din pong doktor dyan. So alagaan po natin sila. At yun, idawdawat ko nga muna ti-dispensar kanya yon no handa nga makita ditoy. Pero aratanak lang mo nag-apo ongoing iti webinar me on cam gamin. So rest assured nga full support na ditoy. As early as malpas tayo tumulong ang check up ditoy. So nagdaman ti damagyo aron ti DGRH na people kayo asigdan nyo lang. Then i-thank you kumat DJ empleyado tayo di RHU. Madida kang na ibang.
Dahil ngayon po ay buwan ng Hulyo at ipinagdiriwang natin ang Nutrition Month, hindi pa din po nawala ang kanilang supportive na mayor na nagbigay rin ng magandang mensahe at nagpamigay pa ng libreng pagkain. Dumating rin po pala ang ibang board members sa event upang suportahan si Mayor at ang SK Federation ng Santo Tomas.
Ipakita yun, kamang rugitan tamanan, kahit na sumangong aldaw, agigan at magkalda, healthy lang na amin, nga anak yung ako. Tandaan na nyo, hanggang nabialala kayo, tinggaling na healthy, nagitabi. Matandama, ituloy-tuloy, nagitay distribution, nagitay gift-giving, iti sangko na yung bayan mo, SK, naggamit, nagitay yun na. Maraming salamat po sa inyo dyan, Wings of Hope. Sana kahit hindi ho Nutrition Month celebration, andito po kayo. Maraming salamat po. Nagdawat, pinapo gobernador, at nagamit na ganyan allocated na bilang anti-vaccine na itipid na lahat. At natimot ni ako board member Jinky.
Board Member Perez, support. Councilor Dickerson
I
Villar,
think you think
maraming
that I
salamat po.
should calm down and that I'm overthinking everything about you and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't, it's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, when I love you, tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Keep on talking to me. Don't you leave me by myself. There's something in the way you're moving. You can make me lose my breath. In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance. It's you and me tonight. Let's leave now and get undressed.
Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa lahat po ng sponsors at lahat po ng tumulong upang maging successful na naman po ang aming medical mission.
For the rest of the night until break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down. Oh, I know you won't let me down. You won't let me down. Let me do things to you, making sure you won't forget about me. Keep on talking to me. Don't you leave me by myself. In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance. As we dance.
God bless us all po.